Hi guys, it's banana bread time, but not just your average banana bread. I'm gonna make banana bread muffins and I'm gonna make them with oats and chocolate chips. So it's gonna be like if banana bread and a warm bowl of oatmeal had a baby, and there's chocolate chips in there and everything, and it's so easy. I put everything into my food processor all together at once. The batter's ready in just minutes and I'm gonna show you how to do it. And you can make mini muffins, you can make regular size muffins, and you can also make banana bread and banana cake. So this is your one-stop shop banana bread batter that you can do a whole bunch of different things with. So first of all, I've got 3 overripe bananas. So the ones that have the darkened skin, they're super soft. I sometimes keep them in my freezer. But here were 3 that were on my counter, overripe. And so now they're in the food processor and I'm gonna give that a quick whir just to get them mushy. Okay, so that's that. You can also mash this, you can do this whole thing in a bowl, but I like the food processor because it does all the work for me. So now the wet ingredients are gonna go in, the rest of them. So there is a 1/4 cup of milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of oil. You could also use 2 tablespoons of melted butter if you want, and a teaspoon or 2 of vanilla extract. I think you can never have enough vanilla. I'm a huge vanilla fan. Okay, so that's the rest of the wet ingredients. Give that a process. Okay, that's that. All right, now for the dry ingredients. So I put them together in a bowl just to make life easier. So it's 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of instant, quick cooking oats, 2½ teaspoons baking powder, 3/4 cup of sugar, and like a ½ teaspoon of salt. That's all in here. That all gets dumped in. And this will all be in the recipe, so you don't have to be like frantically writing it down. All right, and we're gonna just process this until it's blended. That's it, and the food processor helps kind of grind up the oats too a little bit more, which is why I like it. Okay, so now, chocolate chips go in. This is ½ cup of chocolate chips. I like to just give it a quick process, make sure they're incorporated, but I don't want to grind them up. So it'll just be enough to get them into the batter, which you could fold them into. Okay, they're in. I also have some extra chocolate chips to put on top of the muffins once they go in the pan. So put those aside. And now I have my mini muffin pan that I've already sprayed with cooking spray. And I'm going to use what I love are these little, it's like a cookie scoop, and you put the batter just right in that way. Usually I like to fill them 2/3 full, 3/4 full, because they're gonna rise up. So there are 2 in there right now, and I'm gonna keep going. Load up this pan. Okay, I was able to fill 1½ pans of the batter, and now I'm gonna sprinkle the chocolate chips on top. Little extra hit, and plus it just looks really great in the presentation when you have chocolate chips melting into the surface of your muffins. Okay, the chocolate chips are all over the top of all of the mini muffins. The oven's preheated to 375 degrees. I'm gonna get these in, I'm gonna check them at about 8 minutes. They don't take long at all, which is great. So you can get them warm from the oven in about 8 to 10 minutes. So I'll let you know what they look like. Here they are, they're perfect after just 9 minutes in the oven. And I know they're perfect because I used a wooden pick, and when I inserted it in the center, it came out with little moist bits clinging to it, and that's perfect. That means they're still moist inside. So just a couple minutes on a wire rack, and then we can dig in. Once they cool for a couple minutes in the pan, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. If you can wait that long, because there were muffins right here, but Luke came in. I think you'll agree this is the easiest banana bread muffin recipe you've ever seen, and they're adorable, and this is warm and chocolatey and full of oats. This is gonna be a total winner in your house. I hope you try it, and if you do, let me know. I'll see you soon.